Hi guys, I'm Alla from AllasYummyFood together with my best friend
Flori. Hi guys.
Flori's from Romania, I'm from Latvia, and we're both absolutely obsessed with food.
We eat everything. We're not allergic to anything. We just like trying new things.
Exactly.
Interesting dishes, but particularly desserts and cakes.
Oh God,
it's our speciality.
So I decided, obviously we're in New York now, and we're gonna share with you 3 episodes of us trying different foods. We've literally did our research, right?
Yeah.
We had lots of recommendations and tested it on ourselves, all the places in New York. So we're gonna give you 3 episodes of the best desserts to have, Russian food to try in Brighton Beach, right?
Yes.
And today we'll also try different things, savory and sweet. So we both can't breathe anymore.
Yeah, I think we've had quite a bit of food.
Yeah, but you know, Flori is a very harsh food critic, so which is great because I cook a lot of desserts, which she tries.
Yeah.
So today, obviously, in all these episodes, you're going to see us trying a lot of food, and you'll see our rating at the bottom, what we thought the dish was worth. So we will recommend you the ones that we've given like a high rating. We definitely recommend you get these and try them.
Yeah.
These videos are not sponsored by any means, so this is just our personal opinion, and you may agree or disagree with it, but we look forward to reading your comments. We made it, LEVAIN. A lot of you recommended this place. Seems to be a queue in there. Let's get in. There are the cookies there.
Okay,
Oh, they're here. Okay. Oh, they look different to what I thought.
Wow, chocolate.
Oh yeah.
You wanted the 2 chips.
Look at these muffins.
Yeah, the muffins look very cool as well. These banana bread. You want to try something else? We got our cookies. But the bag's actually really heavy. Chachi, you haven't. It's got 3 cookies in there. I think they're very big. American style, guys. American style. Everything nice and big. So, which one?
So
Which one try first? Surprise. Just get any.
Yeah, this one.
Oh my God.
This cookie.
That is huge, actually. That is absolutely massive. I'm gonna let you do the
Should I
honors.
break it into 2?
Yeah, exactly. I'm gonna
We're gonna
give
see
you the
what
honors.
See what it looks like inside.
Do a bit of a food porn shot here.
Yeah, let's do this. Ooh.
Oh my God. That looks. I've never tried it with walnuts, actually. Wow, this is just insane.
Amazing.
Wow.
Smells really good, guys.
This is unreal. Unreal.
Oh wow.
Tastes very different. I haven't got to the chocolate bit.
Very indulgent.
No. It's definitely very, yes, it's really heavy, isn't it?
Oh yeah. This would be like a meal in itself. Oh my God. So good.
Very sweet.
Yeah, but just with me.
And I think with nuts it makes it very heavy.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh,
grab
okay, surprise.
Grab the chocolate one.
God. It's like a giant rock. You can see how big that is. Right, I'm gonna, you don't mind my hands, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
This is definitely a chocolate lover's.
You're gonna love this one, aren't you?
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
I mean, that one was indulgent. This might be over the top.
Looks like a giant lava cake inside. Just look at that. Whoa.
Amazing.
Chocolate buns spread everywhere. Wow.
Oh well.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Just want to show you again. Look at that. Flori loves chocolate, as you know.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Very intense. Can you handle it?
My mouth is covered in chocolate. Well, that's very like. I don't know if I would describe this as a cookie. This is something different.
No, but the middle layer is so soft.
Yeah,
It's softer than the other ones. My God. Mine no.
You know, food coma with this one.
Yeah.
Actually, it's really good.
It's really good.
It's a weird mix. You've got really crunchy top, and then like the middle is very soft and gooey, and then you have the chocolate as well inside.
Oh my God.
It's just strange. I prefer this one to the other one. I'm not really. But it does taste very sweet.
Oh yeah.
Last one. Ooh, excited. Yeah. Which one is this?
I think it's the chocolate peanut butter one.
Yeah.
So look at that. Oh my God. Right. I'm gonna break it into this one. Ooh.
Oh my God, can you see that?
Oh. Right. Okay.
Oh wow.
Peanut butter inside.
That is so cool.
Looks like it's very soft again. So.
Yeah, look at that. Gee.
This is gonna be soft, I can tell.
It's like, it looks like polka dots everywhere. Oh. It's not what I expected.
No.
Whoa.
Very peanut butter.
It's got like smooth peanut butter chunks inside, but it's not like creamy. It's like actual peanut butter. Wow, that is really heavy.
Yeah, definitely. Oh wow. I'm not sure I could have one of these on my own. I don't think I could. I've just had a quarter of it and I think I've had enough.
It's too much, yeah. I think even if you're hungry, it's too much. It's like very, and I think, you know, chocolate peanut butter works together really well, and I think this is like definitely a lot of calories in this one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm so full. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed these cookies and you're gonna try them because, yeah, I mean, definitely it's very different, isn't it? Very
Yeah, definitely worth a try. Very indulgent.
We'll see you in our next adventure. Okay guys, our final destinations for today. Pete's Pies. So this was recommended. Oh, let's have a look. Oh, definitely smells really nice in here. Look at these pies. Oh, look at that. So we've got different pies. The cherry one, the one we wanted to try. Wild blueberry. Oh wow, this is definitely the right place. Look at that. Oh, they even have black sesame. Coconut custard. So we decided to go for the traditional American flavors. We've got the key lime and meringue, and then we've got the cherry. I love cherries, so I'm very excited to try that one. Look at that. And then last one is the brown sugar. Oh, thank you very much. Brown butter pecan. Wow, look at that.
Going into it.
Oh wow. Just look at that. Go on. Yeah.
Wow, it's very
Limey?
limey. Wow, it's very tart. It's nice. It's very.
Yeah.
It's quite light.
Yeah, it should.
Definitely a lot of lime kicking in there.
Yeah, I think it's actually quite traditional, the lime key pie.
Yeah.
Getting the vitamins in, yeah. Let's try this. That's really good. I didn't even feel that was that limey. It's got a coconut base.
Don't know.
That is really good. Like a really custardy lime center. Fluffy meringue. Yes. We're excited to try the cherry one.
So the second one I'm trying is a sour cherry.
Sour cherry, I think so, yeah. need to help with that. Look at that. I think I got a good amount of cherry and pineapple.
I think so. Oops.
Oh wow. That is amazing. Oh my god, I've never tried the sour cherry pie. And this really tastes like proper American. That is absolutely delicious. You don't need to try it, Flori.
No, I'm not gonna let you get away with it.
Oh my god, that is so good. Oh, it's giving me goosebumps.
Do this.
It's like such a short crust pastry, and then the cherry filling is just really tastes like cherries, you know? Well, you be the judge.
Okay. Wow. Okay.
Right?
It's so soft.
I know. It's like almost like cookies.
It melts together. That's really nice.
So good.
Wow. I know, it's full of flavour.
I don't even know. They're both amazing so far. Wow. Go for it. I love pecans.
I'm gonna try it.
Yeah, do
This might be too big a piece though.
Never too big.
Okay,
Alright.
let's try this. It's a bit different, I guess.
Different.
It's less sweet.
Oh really? I would imagine that would be really sweet.
For me, it's less sweet. I don't know.
Okay.
It's interesting. I don't know if it's my thing.
Okay, not the best one.
Yeah.
Alright, okay. I need to break this one. Yeah, it's really hard to eat this one.
Yeah, it's falling apart.
Let's get all the pieces, let's get the nuts in. Actually, I forgot the crust, I think I did. Alright. The nuts are really amazing. I'm feeling inside, I'm not sure what that is.
Yeah, exactly, right? What is that?
It tastes a bit like jelly. I'm gonna just try the filling.
Must be the brown butter.
The brown butter filling. You know what? It's still nice, but it's just not as like light, I guess, and it feels much heavy. Maybe it will go really well with like cream or something.
Yeah.
I might just eat the top of the pecans and the crust. Okay, so we got the chocolate one. Just want to show you. Look at that. It looks just very simple so far, so I don't know. We shall see.
Wait, I'm listening.
Yeah. Oh, it's a lot of chocolate in there. Very thin crust, right? Why do I taste fish?
I don't taste any fish. Have you gone mad?
It reminds me like of some sort of weird flavour. Do you like it?
I just taste chocolate, yeah.
Really?
It's pretty rich, but yeah.
So no, I taste fish.
You're weird. There's no way this is fish.
It's not really my thing, but you like
It's like a
chocolate.
brownie?
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
how to describe it. It's like a brownie.
Yeah, it's very
Texture.
it's very soft and yeah, it literally looks actually like a brownie. It's got like obviously the crust and then very gooey in the middle.
I'd say it's relatively heavy, but
The last place, dough. This is the one that was recommended a lot. So they have donuts. Oh, let's check it out. Ooh. Oh wow. Okay, definitely loads of colourful donuts here. Oh wow. Boston cream, Nutella. Look at these pecans. Oh no way! Wow. Oh wow, look at these. Guys, we were so full. We couldn't eat the donuts at the donut place, so we actually go back to the apartment here.
a couple of hours later,
Yeah,
we're finally ready.
we are ready now. It's actually, in fact, it's 5:30 p.m.
So we didn't even have lunch.
So for those of you thinking, you know, yes, we have been eating a lot during this trip, because this is our third episode. If you've watched all the episodes, we did eat a lot, but you know, we're definitely feeling it.
Yeah.
We're not like robots that just eat and it's definitely very, very full and probably can't even eat probably much.
Yeah, probably gonna have to take a break in the next few days.
Yeah, but we did get only 2 donuts for the last, I guess, experience. Yeah, tasting. We got Irish cream, which is like Bailey's.
Yes.
And then we also got a blueberry crumble, which looks amazing.
Yeah.
So which one do you want to try? The blueberry first or the Irish one?
Whichever one we need to pick.
This one is much bigger. But I'm ready for it. I'm ready for it now.
You don't have to finish it.
I swear tomorrow we'll wake up, I'll be like, I could eat again. I'm hungry.
Oh yeah, that one's definitely.
Also bear in mind, we have been walking a lot. So, you know, if you're going to try all these things, definitely walk everywhere because it helps. It helps to digest the food. So we're going to start with this one, Irish cream. Just want to show you. It looks just plain and coated in sugar, just like that.
Let's see.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, actually, I can smell the Irish cream.
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you.
Oh, it's actually very strong. Like the strong smell of alcohol. It's got like really strong, actually, flavor of whiskey for me.
Yeah. I'm not sure I can taste Bailey's.
Yeah, it doesn't. Maybe Irish cream means something different in America.
In America, yeah.
But
I can definitely taste some coffee though. I'm not sure.
I can't taste coffee. The dough smells nice. It's got like that yeasty smell, but it's not really. I'm not sure if I like this one because maybe my expectations were different.
Yeah.
I think maybe I was thinking it's gonna be like Irish cream, but it's still nice. It's nice, you know. Okay, next one. Second donut only. I feel like we could have taken 3 now.
Yeah.
So this was blueberry crumble. Oh wow, it looks very colorful.
Oh yeah.
It's actually huge.
Yeah. We may
Ooh,
not
look
have
at
the full of
that. Look at that. So I think
Pretty big donut, of course.
it's really big. Wait, I think we've got like a crumb. Oh,
There
just
you go.
feels like a lot of bread in there.
Yeah.
Uh,
So it's all on the outside, really. Just a bit of a glaze.
I think hopefully it tastes like blueberry. We shall see.
Quite a strong smell, actually. You
Oh
smell it?
yeah. I think it was blueberry and something else. Lemon.
Lemon. I think it was
Okay.
a lemon crumble.
To be honest, I wouldn't say that this is a donut consistency. I don't know if you guys can see. It looks like bread. Do you know what I mean? It looks like bread.
You're right. It's not.
And even
Let's
the
try.
texture feels like bread. But let's see. Oh. Didn't
nice
expect
flavour.
that. Lemon with some sort of spice and...
Yeah, we make taste ginger.
Oh yeah, definitely ginger in there. The flavor-wise, it's actually quite unique.
Yeah, I think so.
But the donut-wise, it's not a
not so
donut.
much.
I'm sorry. That is not a donut. That's just bread. Like literally, it's just bread. Look, you can pick it up.
Sweet bread.
You know when you can fold these little bits? Does anyone else do this with their bread? I used to do this as a kid. Do you know what I mean? Oops. No, that's definitely bread. Maybe it's a baked donut. I don't know. I think it's okay.
Yeah. Interesting flavour profile.
Very interesting flavor, yeah. I think I would actually add something else on here, like some sort of jam or something.